What's up, YouTube? I'm gonna see here. Come back with another 09. Gonna do 09 Contenders. A lot of packs, so we're gonna whiz through them. Empty box there. We're just gonna name off the can't even think straight. Name off the autographs. Jesus. Good luck. Got a Macklin McCoy dual, not even numbered. Looking for 5 autographs with a legend. 4 without. That was our first hit right off the bat. For the Hawks, for the Seahawks, Cameron Mora, if I'm pronouncing his name right. Cameron Mora. It's not on card, it's on sticker. Cameron Mora for the Seahawks. The Seahawks on the board. There you go, you can see it better like that. Cameron Mora. Let's pull a nice legend autograph, or let's pull a Mark Sanchez or a Stafford. Something disgusting. Got a Troy Aikman card, not numbered. Got Donald Brown and Hakeem Nicks, not numbered. All base. Pull a 1-1 out of here. I haven't pulled a 1-1 in a while. I'm due for a 1-1. Draft class, Kenny McKinley, Noshawn, not numbered. Macklin 101. Alright, I'm gonna do that. I'll play a Macklin 101. I got a round. Jesus, dropping the freaking cards everywhere. Round numbers of Tony Fiametti and Andre Brown, not numbered. None of those are even numbered. I'm gonna start throwing the packs on the floor. My trash can's getting kind of full. All base. Got a Rookie of the Year of Brian Robisky, not numbered. I don't think any of these are numbered. That feels thicker than the other ones. There's an extra card in here, I think. There is an extra card in here. Brian Robisky, same card we just pulled. Oh no, it's a different one. Different rookie roll call, version 2. Brian Robisky. Jesus. Rookie of the Year, Sean McCoy. Can I hang on to the freaking cards, please? Sean Green, rookie roll call. Lance Allworth, legendary card. Base. LeGarrette Blunt, Mike Goodson, or not LeGarrette Blunt. What the hell did I say LeGarrette Blunt for? Everett Brown, Mike Goodson, LeGarrette Blunt. Matter of fact, I think he went to the Titans first, and then got traded. Okay, Carl Eller, legendary. Where are all our autos at? We have pulled 1 auto, and we have 7 packs left. There we go, right off the bat. Man, Bryofia's tearing it up. I think Nick pulled the same exact card. Darius Hayward Bay, on card autograph. Darius Hayward Bay. There you go, Brian Bryophia tearing it up. There you go, nice. I think that's 3 hits for Bryophia so far. A couple autographs, nice patches. It's one of the on-card ones. Got a playoff ticket of Bo Scafey. Number 99. I've totally murdered his name. I can't catch where to look. There's another autograph for the Eagles. Brandon Gibson autograph for the Eagles. Here you go. You want an Eagle card? You got an Eagle card. Not Macklin, but Gibson. So that's 3. Looking for 1 more autograph. Maybe 2 if we pull a legendary auto out of here. Donald Brown, rookie contender. Gibson's a one. You guys. Oh, sick. Sick. Nah, I've been waiting to pull one of these autographs. I have not pulled one of these yet. This guy's a freaking beast. For the Packers, rookie autograph of Clay Matthews. Sick. That card you could probably sell for a pretty penny. His stuff's expensive. You can see, there it goes, Clay Matthews. Sick. I actually like Clay Matthews. Dude is all over the freaking place. So, congratulations, Packers. Mike Wallace. Insert. 2 packs left. Darius Hayward Bay, rookie roll call. Box. The rest of the pack should be there. This is the last pack. Got a. That's weird. I've never seen one of those. Kenny Britt, rookie roll call, numbered 15 of 50. Holofoil. 15 of 50. Pretty cool looking. Alright, but that's it. That's the box of Contenders. Nice box. Contenders, actually, with the Hayward Bay and Clay Matthews and crap. So come back with some more. Bum the suit out.